Dear students, today I am going to discuss about a new concept, that is a homogeneous differential equations. This is very interesting topic. So what is homogeneous differential equations? Here a differential equation is in the form of dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y is said to be a homogeneous differential equation in x and y if both f of x comma y, g of x comma y are homogeneous functions of same degree in x and y. What is homogeneous? A differential equation in the form of f dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y. Here f and g are the homogeneous functions of in same degree, homogeneous functions in same degree in x and y only. If f and g are not homogeneous and homogeneous but not same degree, then we say that is not a homogeneous differential equation. Here the general solution of homogeneous differential equations. Let us discuss about the how to solve homogeneous differential equations. Let dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y, call this is equation 1, be the given homogeneous differential equation. Since 1 is the homogeneous differential equation, both f of x comma y, g of x comma y are homogeneous functions same degree in x and y. Thus f of x comma y by g of x comma y is equal to x power n into f1 of y by x by x power n into g1 of y by x is equal to pi of y by x. This is called equation 2. From 1 and 2, here dy by dx can be written as, comparing the 1 and 2, dy by dx is equal to pi of y by x, and we call this is equation 3. Now put y by x is equal to v, because the above equation is homogeneous equation. To solve about the homogeneous equation, first we consider put y by x is equal to v only, and cross multiply, then it is written as y is equal to vx. Then dy by dx will become, substituting these values in given equation, that then dy by dx will become, or y is equal to vx can be derivative. The y is equal to vx can be differentiate with respect to x. We get the differentiation of y with respect to x is written as dy by dx, and vx is in the form of u into v. So the derivative of u into v can be written as u dash v plus v dash u. In similar way, the differentiation of v into x is written as v derivative of x means 1, v plus x into derivative of v with respect to x, that is written as dv by dx. Here we got dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. This is called equation 4. Now from 3 and 4, we can write it as v plus x into dv by dx is equal to pi of v only. Here y by x we can consider as v, and what is dy by dx value? Dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now substitute these two values in required equation, we got this one. So this is now simplifying, x into dv by dx is equal to pi of v minus v. This is, and that means here v takes the right side part, that here the plus v will becomes, we got minus v only, that is x into dv by dx is equal to pi v minus v. Here 1 by, and this is also written as 1 by pi of v minus v into dv. Here we are doing separate, the v terms are one side and x terms are another side. That's why we can write it as 1 by pi of v minus v into dv is equal to dx by x, which is in the variable separable form. Here v terms are one side and x terms are another side. Now by using variable separable method, we can integrating the each term. That is, by integrating we get the solution psi of x comma v comma c is equal to 0. We call this is equation 5. By substituting y is equal to v is equal to y by x value in equation 5, so we get the general solution of 1 is, that is equal to psi of x comma y by x comma c is equal to 0 only. Now continue the next slide. Now we have to know the how to solve homogeneous differential equations. The procedure to solve how to do homogeneous differential equations. What is the procedure? First write the step 1. Take y by x is equal to v only. Let consider y by x is equal to v. Step 2. Substitute y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx in the equation and simplify. Step 3. Write the variable separable form. And step 4. Integrate and finally replace v by y by x. This is the procedure to solve the homogeneous differential equations. Now example, solve x square minus y square into dx plus 2xy into dy is equal to 0. Now here the given differential equation is it homogeneous or not? First check the given differential equation. Now it is written as dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y, that is dy by dx is written as y square minus x square by 2xy. The given differential equation is first written as x square minus y square into dx plus 2xy into dy is equal to 0, and this is also written as 2xy dy is equal to y square minus x square into dx, and similar way this is written as dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square by 2xy. This is called equation 1. Here the numerator, the degree of numerator and the degree of denominator is both are same, because the degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is also 2. So degree of f of x and g of x both are same. So then we say that the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. Now what is procedure to solve the homogeneous differential equation? First we are considered y is equal to vx or y by x is equal to v. Now differentiate y is equal to vx with respect to x. Now that is, then we can written as dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. dy by dx into v plus x into dv by dx. And this is also simplifying the both are written in given equation, that is we got v plus x into dv by dx is equal to v square x square minus x square by 2v x square. Now simplifying, x into dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 by 2v minus v, and also simplify the right side part, we got minus of v square plus 1 by 2v, and this is also written as separating the v terms are one side and x terms are another side, that is written as 2v by v square plus 1 into dv is equal to minus dx by x, and this implies integral 2v by v square plus 1 into dv is equal to minus integral integral dx by x. Here integral 2v by v square plus 1 dv is equal to minus integral dx by x. Here what is the integration part of left side part? This is in the form of f dash x by f of x. The derivative of denominator is 2v. So this is in the form of f dash x by f of x. So integration of f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log f of x. In similar way you can write it as log of v square plus 1 is equal to integration of 1 by x dx means log x, that is minus log x plus log c. And now simplify, we get v square plus 1 v square plus 1. Now simplify. V square plus 1 is equal to c by x. This implies y square by x square. Here v means y by x. So v square means y square by x square. So y square by x square plus 1 is equal to c by x. Now simplify, we get the x square plus y square is equal to cx only. Therefore, the required solution is x square plus y square is equal to cx where c is an arbitrary constant. Now continue the next slide. Here, if you observe this problem, what is the given problem? Solve y square minus 2xy into dx plus 2xy minus x square into dy is equal to 0. Here, solve the given equation can be written as y square minus 2xy into dx plus 2xy minus x square into dy is equal to 0. This implies this is written as dy by dx is equal to y square minus 2xy by x square minus 2xy. See here, the degree of numerator and the degree of denominator both are same. Therefore, the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. Clearly, this is we can say that homogeneous differential equation. Now, how to solve the homogeneous differential equation? We know the procedure how to solve the homogeneous differential equation. First, we are consider let y is equal to vx, then differentiate the y is equal to vx with respect to that is written as then dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now substitute these two values in required given equation, that is written as dy by dx is equal to y square minus 2x by x square minus 2y is written as dy by dx means v plus x into dy by dx, if y means v square x square and minus 2x into y means vx by x square minus 2x into y means here vx. And simplify, we got v plus x into dv by dx is equal to here x square takes common from numerator and denominator and gets cancelled. We got v plus x into dv by dx is equal to v square minus 2v by 1 minus 2v. And this is also written as x into dv by dx is equal to, here take the v from left to right, and this is written as x into dv by dx is equal to v square minus 2v by 1 minus 2v minus v, and this is equal to v square, we take the LCM, here 1 minus 2 is LCM. So now simplifying, we get the v square minus 2v minus v plus 2v square by 1 minus 2v. And now simplifying, here v square plus 2v square means 3v square, minus 2v minus v means minus 3v. So 3v square minus 2v by 1 minus 2v is the one fraction lies in v. And x into dy dx is equal to 3 times of 3 is common from numerator, 3 into v square minus v by minus of 2v minus 1. Okay, minus of 2v minus 1. And now separate the v terms are one side and x terms are another side. This is in the form of variable separable. So here 2v minus 1 by v square minus 1 into dv is equal to minus 3 into dx by x, and this implies integral 2v minus 1 by v square minus v into dv, and this is equal to minus of integral dx by x, minus of integral dx by x. This implies on log of what is derivative 2v minus v. So here the derivative the derivative of denominator is lies in numerator, that is the integral of that is in the form of the integral of f dash x by f of x dx, that is equal to log f of x. So you can write it as log of v square minus v is equal to minus 3 log x plus log c. Now simplifying, v square minus v is equal to c by x. Here log, remove log from both sides. V square minus v is equal to c by x cube, and this implies x cube into y square by x square minus y by x is equal to c. This implies xy into y minus x is equal to c. Therefore, the solution is xy into y minus x is equal to c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Okay. Now continue the next problem. Solve x into cos y by x. Solve x into cos y by x. into y dx plus x dy is equal to y sin y by x into x dy minus y dx. This is given differential equation. Is it homogeneous or now check this given differential equation, is it homogeneous or not. First given equation can be written as x into cos y by x, cos of y by x into y dx plus x dy is equal to y sin y by x into x dy minus y dx. This implies xy cos y by x dx plus x square cos y by x dy is equal to xy sin y by x dy minus y square sin y by x dx. Continue the next slide. And this is written as xy sin y by x minus x square cos y by x dy is equal to dy terms are one side and dx terms are one side, and xy cos y by x plus y square sin y by x dx. This implies dy by dx is equal to now xy cos y by x plus y square sin y by x by xy sin y by x minus x square cos y by x. This is called equation 1. Now here this is the degree of numerator. The equation 1 can be observed. The degree of numerator and the degree of denominator both are same. Therefore, this is the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. So, the procedure to solve homogeneous differential equation, step 1, put y is equal to vx. Now, differentiate y is equal to vx with respect to x. That is written as dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dy by dx. And substituting these two values in given equation, we got here dy by dx means v plus x into dy by dx, and y is equal to vx. Here substitute y values in y values, that is vx, here written as x square into v cos v plus v square x square sin v by x square v sin v minus x square cos v. Now simplifying, we got x into dv by dx is equal to v cos v plus v square sin v by v sin v minus cos v minus v. This is equal to 2v cos v by v sin v minus cos v. Now here separate the v terms are one side and x terms are another side, and that is v sin v minus cos v by v cos v into dv is equal to 2 into dx by x. Now this is in the form of variable separable, and now integrating both sides, integral of 2 into dx by x or integral tan v minus 1 by v into dv, or simplifying v sin v by v cos v is equal to v gets cancelled, sin v by cos v into tan v, and cos v gets cancelled, we got 1 by v. That is written as tan v minus 1 by v into dv is equal to right side part is 2 into dx by x. Now integrating tan v minus 1 by v dv is equal to integral 2 dx by x or 2 into integral dx by x, and simplify integrating, here integration of tan v means log secant v, integration of 1 by v means log v, and integration of 1 by x means log x, that is 2 log x plus constant is log c. Now simplifying log secant v, that is written as log secant v minus log v means log a by b, that is in the form of log a by b, that is log v log cos v log secant v by v or secant v by v. Secant v by v is equal to cx square, right side part is cx square, so both sides remove the logarithm, so we got secant v by v is equal to secant x cx square. This implies cx square v cos v is equal to 1. This implies cx y cos y by x is equal to 1. Therefore the required solution is cxy cos y by x is equal to 1, where c is an arbitrary constant. And continue the next problem. Solve 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy is equal to 0. So by using homogeneous differential equation method, we can solve this problem. So what is put, this is the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. Now solve by using what is procedure to solve homogeneous differential equation. First we consider, let put y is equal to vx or x is equal to vy. Here we take this is dx by dy form. So here consider put x is equal to vy, then dx by dy is equal to v plus y into dv by dy. So given equation is 1 plus e power x by y into dx plus e power x by y 1 minus ax by y into dy is equal to 0. Here the given equation can be rewritten as dx by dy. Here dx terms are one side and dy terms are one side, and that is written as 1 plus e power x by y dx is equal to e power x by y into x by y minus 1 into dy. Here dx by dy. What is dx by dy? Dx by dy is equal to e power x by y into x by y minus 1 by e power x by y plus 1. And here substitute the dx by dy value and x is equal to v value in given equation. That is written as v plus x, y into dv by dy is equal to e power v into v minus 1 by e power v plus 1. So here y into dv by dy, y into dv by dy is equal to e power v into v minus 1 by e power v plus 1 minus v, and e power v into v minus e power v minus v into e power v minus v by e power v plus 1. And this implies e power v plus 1 by e power v plus v into dv and this is also written as e power v plus 1 into e power v plus v dv is equal to minus dy by y. And here now taking the integral on both sides, that is integral e power v plus 1 by e power v plus v is equal to minus integral dy by y. So what is the integration of e power v plus 1 by e power v plus v? So the derivative of numerator, the derivative of denominator lies in the numerator. That is in the form of integral f dash x by f of x dx. So that is written as log of e power v plus v is equal to minus integral of 1 by y means log y plus constant is log c is equal to this implies e power v plus v is equal to c by y, and e power x by y, here v means x by y, e power x by y plus x by y is equal to c by y. Now simplifying, this is equal to y into e power x by y plus x is equal to c. Continue the next slide and discuss about the equation reducible to the homogeneous form. That means here given equations, given differential equations are non-homogeneous equations. Now non-homogeneous equations can be reduced into homogeneous equation form. That is, consider the differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. And continue the next slide. For example, case 1, suppose a by a dash is equal to b by b dash. A by a dash is equal to b by dash. Let a by a dash is equal to b by b dash is equal to 1 by k. Then a dash is equal to what? Ka, and b dash is equal to what? Kb. And substitute these values in given equation, that is dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash can be changed as dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c by k into ax plus by plus c dash. And this is also written as this equation can be reduced to variable separable form by substituting the ax plus by is equal to b. Hence it can be solved. This is case 1. If case 2, if suppose a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash, then we substitute we are consider the x values, x and y values like as x is equal, small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Then differentiate the small x and small y with respect to x, and right side part is also, that is, then dx is equal to d capital X and dy is equal to d capital Y, and hence dy by dx is equal to d capital Y by d capital X. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, therefore dy by dx is equal to what? dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c by, and a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash will becomes d capital Y by dx is equal to a into x plus x plus b into y plus k plus c by a dash into capital X plus h plus b dash into capital Y plus k plus c dash. This implies dy by d capital Y by dx is equal to, and this is also written as ax plus by plus a capital X plus b capital Y plus ah plus bk plus c by a dash capital X plus b dash capital Y plus a dash h plus b dash k plus c dash. Now choose h and k such that find the h comma k values by using the ah plus bk plus c is equal to 0 and a dash h plus b dash k plus c dash is equal to 0. Then the differential equation will becomes homogeneous form, that is d capital Y by dx is equal to ax plus by by a dash x plus b dash y, which is in homogeneous form. Now this equation can be solved by substituting y is equal to vx, capital Y is equal to small v into capital X, and differentiate the considered value with respect to x, that is finally by replacing x by x minus x and y by y minus k, we shall get the solution in x and y only. That is case 2. In case 2, one note is there, that is note value, if a dash plus b is equal to 0, then the equation dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash, then can be c dash can be solved by proper grouping of the terms. Continue the next slide. Procedure to solve dy by dx form. dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. Step 1, if a by a dash is equal to b by dash, then put ax plus by is equal to, simplify and solve. Step 2, and step 3, if a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash, then put small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k, so that ah plus bk plus c is equal to 0 and a dash h plus b dash k plus c dash is equal to 0. And step 4, substitute capital Y is equal to v into capital X. Step 5, simplify and solve. And take the example based on the above method, that is solve 2x plus 3y minus 5 into dx plus 3x minus 4y plus 1 into dy is equal to 0. Solution. Given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 5 into dx plus 3x minus 4y plus 1 into dy is equal to 0. Now here the given equation is, suppose first method is a by a dash. What is a by a dash? 2 by 3, and b by b dash 3 by minus 3 by 4. So a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. So that is here 2x minus y dx plus 3y dx plus 3x dy minus 4y plus 1 into dy is equal to 0. Or this is in the form of note 1. What is note 1? If a dash plus b is 0, then the equation dy by dx is solved by the grouping the terms. So similar way we can do this problem, that is here grouping the given problem, that is 2x minus y into dx plus 3y into dx plus 3x into dy plus minus 4y plus 1 into dy is equal to 0. Separate the each terms, and 2x minus 5 into dx plus minus 4y plus 1 into dy plus 3 into d of xy is equal to 0. 3y dx plus 3x dy can be written as 3 into derivative of xy. And now integration of 2x minus 5 into dx plus integration of minus 4y plus 1 into dy plus 3 into integration of derivative of xy is equal to 0. So what is integration of 2x minus 5? X square by 2. 2 into x square by 2. 2 gets cancelled, minus 5 into x. And integration of minus 4y dy. Minus 4 into y square by 2. That is minus 2y square plus 1 into dy means y. And plus 3 into integration of derivative of xy. Here integration and derivative both are cancelled. We got only 3xy. Here constant is c. Therefore, the solution is x square plus 3xy minus 2y square minus 5x plus y is plus c is equal to 0. And continue the next problem. Solve dy by dx is equal to 2x minus y plus 1 by 4x minus 2y plus 1. Here the given differential equation is not in the homogeneous form because here constant terms are there. The degree of numerator and degree of denominator is not, both are same. So therefore the given differential equation is non-homogeneous differential equation. So how do we solve non-homogeneous differential equations? First we are consider 2x, put 2x minus y is equal to v. Then differentiate with respect to x. Then 2 minus dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. And dy by dx is equal to 2 minus dv by dx. Now substitute these values in given equation. That is written as dy by dx is equal to 2x minus y plus 1 by 4x minus 2y plus 1. This will becomes 2 minus dv by dx is equal to v plus 1 by 2v plus 1. Now simplifying, we get dv by dx is equal to 2 minus v plus 1 by 2v plus 1. And also taking the LCM, and 4v plus 2 minus v minus 1 by 2v plus 1. And this also we got 3v plus 1 by 2v plus 1. Here now separate the v terms are one side and x terms are another side. That is, we can write it as 2v plus 1 by 3v plus 1 into dv is equal to dx. And this is in the form of variable separable method. Now integration of here integration of 2v plus 1 by 3v plus 1 into dv is equal to integration of dx. Now the given different integration is not in the form of f dash x by f of x. So this is, we can change as that is integral of 2 by 3 into 3v plus 1 by 3 by 3v plus 1 into dv is equal to integration of dx. Now integrating, here 3v plus 1 gets cancelled. We have only 2 by 3 into dv and plus 1 by 3 into integration of 1 by 3v plus 1 into dv is equal to integration of dx. Here separate the integration each term. Now integrating, we got 2 by 3 into v plus 1 by 3 into log 3v plus 1 plus 1 by 9 into log c is equal to sum x. And also we can simplify 6v plus log c into 3v plus 1 is equal to 9x. And this implies 6 into 2x minus y plus log of 3 into 2x minus 4 plus 1 into c is equal to 9x. This implies log c into 6x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 6y minus 3x is 3x. This implies c into 6x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to e power 6y minus 3x. Therefore, the solution is e power 6y minus 3x is equal to c into 6x minus 3y plus 1, where c is an arbitrary constant. And solve another example. Solve dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y minus 3 by 2x plus y minus 3. This is also non-homogeneous differential equation because here constant terms are there. Here the degree of denominator and degree of numerator is not same. Therefore, this is not a homogeneous differential. This is not a homogeneous. This is homogeneous. This is not homogeneous differential equation. This is not a homogeneous. So we are consider small x is equal to capital X plus h and y is equal to capital I y plus k. The given equation becomes dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y by 2x plus y, where h and k are the chosen values, and solve the h plus 2k minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2h plus k minus 3 is equal to 0. We got h and k values, and continue the next slide. And here what is h and k values? Solving these two equations we got h is equal to 1, k is equal to 1. Hence capital X is equal to x minus 1 and capital Y is equal to y minus 1. And we are considered put capital Y is equal to v into capital X. Differentiate that equation with respect to x. We get the dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Substitute these two values given differential equation. We got the dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y by 2x plus y. This is equal to v plus x into dv by dx, and this is also equal to x plus 2vx by 2x plus vx, and this implies x into dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 2v by 2 plus v minus v, and we got 1 minus v square by 2 plus v, and 2 plus v by 1 minus v square into dv is equal to dx by x. Now here if you observe this equation, this is in the form of variable separable method. Here v terms are one side and x terms are another side. Now integrating, we got integration of 2 plus v by 1 plus v into 1 minus v dv. So integration of dx by x. Now integrating or separate this integral into two integrals, that is integration of 1 by 2 into 1 plus v plus integration of 3 by 2 into 1 minus v into dv is equal to integration of dx by x. So what is integration of 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 plus v? That is written as 1 by 2 log 1 plus v. And what is integration of 3 by 2 integration 1 by 1 minus v dv? That is log 1 minus v. So what is integration of 1 by x? Log x. So we got 1 by 2 log 1 plus v minus 3 by 2 log 1 minus v is equal to log x plus 1 by 2 log c. Now simplifying, this is in the form of log a minus log b, that is written as log of a by b, that is in the form of log of 1 plus v by 1 minus v whole cube, and also written as right side part is log c into x square. So what is v here? V is equal to y by x. That is, we simplify this value 1, then we get to the 1 x plus y, that is here 1 plus v by 1 minus v whole cube is cx square. This implies 1 plus v is equal to cx square into 1 minus v whole cube, and here 1 plus y by x is equal to cx square into 1 minus y by x whole cube. So what is capital Y and small y, capital X? Here capital X is equal to small x minus 1, capital Y is equal to small y minus. Substituting these values in this equation, we got finally x plus y minus 2 is equal to c into x minus y whole cube. Therefore, the solution is x plus y minus 2 is equal to c into x minus y whole cube, where c is an arbitrary constant. So now the class is ended. Tomorrow we continue this chapter. Thank you everyone.